Great Explorations, we are more than a museum, more than a preschool. For families in our community, Great Explorations is a place to grow, to play, to heal, and most importantly, to belong. For families like the Heath Coast, Great Explorations has been part of their daily life for years. A trusted space where their child can learn, lead, and be fully himself.
Great X has kind of been a part of our lives since 2021 through BBK. He was here for summer camp, he was here for aftercare, for kindergarten, so it's just kind of always been part of our family. We have a really creative kid, a really imaginative kid. Part of that is probably because of the foundation he's gotten here. And I think this museum in particular really feeds into that creativity.
You can go to any museum and you can walk through and you can observe, but when you have a 6-year-old or younger, it's so hard for them. It's like they just want to reach out and turn a dial or just see what happens.
Great X, compared to other children's museums, is really kind of a reflection of how St. Pete is. You know, it's like, it's innovation, it's creativity, it's community, it's diversity. It feels like a little mini St. Pete for kids. Our families don't live nearby, and so to kind of have that extended family of people we trust that are gonna not only give him a safe, comfortable place to be, but also develop him and make sure he has fun and make sure he makes friends and really feels like he's never missing out. That peace of mind for us, no matter what was going on in life, and having, again, that extension of our very small, St. Pete family has been huge.
But for some families, Great Explorations has meant even more. It's been a lifeline in the middle of a crisis.
After the storms and losing our house, we showed up the next week and there was clothes and food and we didn't have to pack a single lunch and everyone was so nice. And so I feel like the support of that was like life-changing for us. The fact that they get to come and learn through play every single day, like, it's a gift. Great X has been a pillar of this community since its beginning. It's an offshoot of our family, of our home.
Others have come searching for understanding, for safety, for a place where every child, regardless of ability, can thrive.
I am a nanny for the Westenberg family. There are 3 boys. Asher is 5 years old and he is on the spectrum. He has autism. We've been coming here for the Great Connections monthly on Sundays. And when we first started coming here, he was nonverbal. And I really think that the Great Connections program enabled us to have a safe space, not only for Asher, but for the 3 boys. There's really no other place that we can go in St. Pete that enables us to have, family time all together. To me and the family that I'm working for, Great Explorations means a safe space to come and just be kids and be a family together and have a place where we feel welcome, anything goes, and it just feels like a lot of love and a lot of caring and a wonderful place to just come and explore.
And some families have been coming here for generations, creating joyful memories and meaningful moments year after year. These stories, these children, are possible because of people like you. People who believe in this mission and give generously so that others can experience it too.
Back in 1986, when the museum was founded, I had the opportunity to be here as it started. It's very near and dear to us and our family.
We brought our kids here in the 90s.
Yes.
And now we bring our grandkids.
I know, we've come full circle.
They get a chance to play, to learn, to grow, and to show some creativity.
Right.
And I think that's what makes it special. It's for the whole community.
Right.
It's not just for a few people, it's for the whole community that can come and enjoy it.
Our children are our greatest resource. I mean, they are the future. We hear that all the time, but it's so true.
Tonight, you can be that difference. Your gift is more than a donation. It's a safe place for a child after a storm. It's a space to learn through play, a home away from home. 100% of Raise the Paddle gifts go directly to supporting families, just like the ones you've met tonight. Please raise your paddle and give what you can, because every child deserves a place to grow, belong, and thrive.